Hi folks, so it's day 2 for the Golden Quadrilateral Challenge of India. So I'm just starting off. This was my night's place. It's called the One Resort in Annavaram. Wonderful location, but that is for another day. We'll see that another day. So this is, the time is now 10 to 8 and the kilometer reading on the 10th of 12th 2022 is 688,443. I am ready. The car is ready. It's a bit dirty though, but yeah, we are all doing good. We're all okay. So off we go, and we'll talk to you on the road. Thank you.